Right, time for the dessert. Apple Tart Fine with caramelised cream.
This has to be the simplest and the most delicious dessert in Britain today.
Puff pastry. Cut.
Prick it with a fork, and this stops the pastry from bubbling up.
Braeburn apples.
They don't hold lots of juice, so therefore it doesn't make the tart soggy.
Core. Peel. Slice. Layer. Butter. Sugar.
Cover the apples completely, and then straight into the oven, 190 to caramelise. Beautiful. A light dusting of icing sugar.
Blowtorch.
And just lightly glaze those apples. And then finally, to the ice cream. That has to be the best looking tart in Britain.
Apple Tart Fine with caramelised cream. Done.
If we win, we get to come back.
Yeah, oh, fuck.
We want to come back.
We want to come back. Yeah.
Gordon?
Yes.
Are you a natural blonde?
Yes.
You are?
You want us to show you?
Yes, all right then.
You are so bad.
No, because you've got...
You are so bad.
Because I highlight my hair. It looks like you're slightly... What am I doing? I'm putting more of these on. You're making me nervous. I've just messed up.
Have you changed now, since you've become a mum?
Have I changed?
How's life changed? Yeah.
Oh, yes, it has. I feel guilty all the time now.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
What?
guilt. Because I go out with Mel.
Yeah.
I work. I should work.
Work is healthy.
No, I know, and he loves me. He doesn't mind me working.
Yeah. Right, tart on, and we don't put the ice cream on until the tarts are on the plate, yeah? These tarts are beautiful. Where's the blowtorch?
Through left.
Good. So, on there. OK, we've got to glaze them. OK. Ice cream.
Here. Is it there?
Get in the system now. OK, and keep your plates over there, so at least we stay nice and tidy. Now, I want them served straight away because the ice cream's going to melt. Turn round and put it on the hot plate. Good go. Come on, please. I don't want to hang around. The ice cream's melting. Come on, you did a great job. Keep it up, yes? 2 tables to go, yes? They are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Well done. Come on. Let's go. Last one. Jose. Let's go. Jose. Here's the bad news. If you get 40 out of 50, you're tied with the Wendy Peters Brigade. If you get more than 40, you're the best brigade, and so far, that means you're top of the tree.
I'm scared. Don't open it yet.
For dessert, you got 47 out of 50! Yes! Well done, that's amazing! Really well done. Yes! Now... Well done. There's a strong possibility you may be coming back.
We're going to come back.
Well done. OK, well done.